Flooring is an important and expensive asset to every facility, and the effects of winter can cause serious damage to beautiful floors. Foot traffic laden with winter soils such as water, dirt, and salt lead to premature stripping of finish, discoloring of tile, and breakdown of carpet fibers. Drummond Winter Rinse Floor Cleaner and Ice Melt Neutralizer from Lawson Products is formulated to balance out the alkalinity of ice melt that leaves a salty white haze on flooring. Formulated with a high concentration means your solution lasts longer, saving you money. Drummond Winter Rinse Floor Cleaner and Ice Melt Neutralizer uses safe, mild citric acid and detergents to neutralize the salt from ice melt and remove film from flooring. Drummond Winter Rinse Floor Cleaner and Ice Melt Neutralizer is the perfect cold season damp mop solution, making quick work of remediating harsh winter soils. Drummond Winter Rinse Floor Cleaner and Ice Melt Neutralizer easily dilutes into an auto scrubber tank, getting the job done quickly. Keep your matting safe and clean when you use Drummond Winter Rinse Floor Cleaner and Ice Melt Neutralizer in a carpet extractor. Keep large trucks and transit vehicles clean from road salts when you dilute Drummond Winter Rinse Floor Cleaner and Ice Melt Neutralizer into a pressure washer. Clear any leftover salt or residue from snowplows, snowblowers, and shovels. Ice melts work by using salts that lower the freezing point, so that snow or ice will turn into water. These salts leave a noticeable residue on floors when tracked into a building. A neutral damp mop solution that is used most of the year will not be effective against these high pH, alkaline residues. The best approach to getting your floors ready for winter is making sure that you have Drummond Winter Rinse Floor Cleaner and Ice Melt Neutralizer.